Hi there, welcome to our channel FleetTech. In this video, we'll talk about how to transfer SHIB or any other crypto from crypto.com to Binance. So for this, go to crypto.com and click on transfer in the right bottom corner. Now click on withdraw and from there click on crypto. As you click on crypto, now click on external wallet. There we have other options too, but we will go with external wallet as we want to add a Binance here. So now here, first of all, you need to add the crypto that you want to send. So for this, click on the plus icon on the top right corner and there you need to select cryptocurrency. So you can select any that you want or you can search for it. So for example, we'll go with Ethereum here. Click on Ethereum and now select, you need to add a wallet address. So for this, let's go to Binance and from here click on wallet in the right bottom corner. As you click on it, there you will get two options, that as withdraw or deposit. So I will go with deposit here. So click on deposit and scroll down. So from here we will select Ethereum. Click on Ethereum or just any cryptocurrency that you want and then click on deposit. So now here you need to select the network. So I will go with Ethereum again. After the verification, you will get the address of your wallet. So simply click on it to copy. Okay, so here we have it. Click on copy in front of the address option. So once your address is copied, now go back to crypto.com and paste your address here. Once you paste the address, now enter the wallet name. So you can add the wallet name and then click on next. After the verification, your cryptocurrency will be sent. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.